To create a MyMode that allows walking with stance release, turn the stance release option on in the connectgo.pro app. This can be useful for activities such as basketball or golfing. Note that you cannot combine stance release with an extension locking angle. Depending on the MyMode setting, the flexion movement may be restricted. In this case, the user must switch back to basic mode before walking down ramps and stairs.